Hello and welcome to Oclef Kinder. My name is Mr. Piano. Today we have a guest with us, Miss Amelia. Say hi, Miss Amelia.
Hi everyone.
Today we're going to learn Ba Ba Black Sheep, but we're going to start with a game.
Yes, so this game is red light, green light, which we probably all have played before at some point, probably at recess, but this is the piano version. And this game is super fun, especially if you have a beginner student. And in this case, Mr. Piano is going to play Ba Ba Black Sheep for us. What the rules are is that you're going to have your student get into hand position, okay? And they're going to play through as much as you can. However, with red light, green light, I will be the red light, green light person, which means I would turn around and say green light, which means that's your cue for the student to begin playing as best as they can. But if I turn around and say red light, they gotta stop. And they gotta keep their eyes on the music. They can't, move their hands. They can't look around. They gotta freeze. And then when I turn back around and go green light, they can continue. And then it keeps repeating. And this is a really good game to help with concentration and to also enforce a really good habit, which is making sure that you're keeping your eyes on the music and following along, which is a fundamental habit we want with our beginner students. So should we try it out, Mr. Piano?
Let's try it out.
Okay, are you in your hand position? Oh, you are.
All right, so my hand position right now is both thumbs are sharing middle C. So both thumbs are on middle C. Our first note is going to be in our fourth finger in our left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our fourth finger should be on G. So we'll play that 2 times, holding for 2 beats each. 1, 2, 1, 2. Skipping up to right hand 2. 2 times. So let's try those 2 measures one more time. We'll have left hand 4 for 2 beats, 2 times. 2, 4, skipping up to right hand 2, 2 times. In the third measure, we have 4 quarter notes. We'll play 3 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, stepping down to 2, 2, 3, 4. That's our first line. Let's play our game.
Okay, are you ready? Here you go, ready? And green light. Red light.
Now I can't move. I can't take my music and move it across the room. I can't take my eyes and move them across the room. My eyes and my hands have to stay on the keyboard. Ready?
Nice, I like that you're still pressing down D. Finger 2. Ready? And green light. Red light. Nice, pretty good, Mr. Piano. You got skills. Okay, green light. Nice, you finished? Yay!
Nice job. So that's the first line. That's kind of how it's going to go. Let's try the second line.
Okay.
I have to learn how to play that on piano.
I know, right? We should learn that together.
So this next part, we're going to start with left hand. You see, it's middle C with the left hand thumb. The stem is pointing down. Left hand thumb plays C for 2 beats, 2 beats, and we're stepping down to finger 2 in the second measure. Stepping down to 3. 3, 4 for 4 beats. 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again before we go on and play our game. So we'll have left hand 1, 2 times, stepping down to 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, 4.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, and green light. Red light. Okay, pretty good. And green light. Red light. Pretty good, pretty good. And green light.
1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. How did you guys do? If you want to go back and practice that with your parents, go ahead and do that. Let's go on to the second page. Okay, for the second page, we're going to start on right hand 2. We'll have 2 for a half note, 2 beats, 1, 2, and then 3 and 4, 2 quarters. 1, 2, stepping down to 1, 1. Let's try those 2 measures again. Finger 2, right hand. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And the third measure, we're going to step down to left hand 2 on B. 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. All right, ready?
Okay, here we go. Green light. Red light. Okay, I like that you're not moving. Present on C. Green light. Red light. Oh, did you make it?
In the last line, we're going to start on right hand 2. We'll play that 2 more times. Step down to 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third measure, we play left hand 2, right hand 1, stepping up to 2, skipping down to left hand 2, and then left hand 3. Let's try that whole thing again. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Left hand 2. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. All right. You ready for our game?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, here we go. And green light.
2, 2, 2.
Red light.
Pausing on the second measure.
Nice. And green light. Red light. Nice, good pause.
Then skip down to left hand 2 next.
Green light. Nice, you made it.
Very good. Let's try reading the whole thing. Are you ready? All right, let's try our red light, green light game. Ready?
You ready?
We're going to start at the beginning on left hand 4.
Okay, here we go. Ready, set, green light. Light. Yeah, I got my eyes on you. Green light. Light. Nice.
I'm frozen in time.
Green light. Red light.
I'm on measure 10.
There. And green light.
Uh-oh, I moved before she said green light. And I played 4 quarter notes instead of the rhythm that was written. That's okay.
Red light.
I'm on the last line.
Green light.
We're going to go back to the beginning.
Red light. Green light.
Second line.
Red light. You're so close, you're almost there. And green light.
I made it!
Oh, congrats.
You see where it says fine? That means we're going to finish there. So we'll read through the whole 4 lines, all 4 lines, and then when it says d'ici al fine, da capo al fine, we go back to the beginning, and read through these 2 lines, and we'll end on this G. Very good, everyone. How'd you do? So remember when practicing at home to maintain a steady hand position, keep your eyes on the music, start slowly and then build up speed, and practice in sections or 1 line at a time.
Yeah, guys, and use red light, green line if you ever want to have a little bit of fun with your practice, especially if you want to improve concentration, and especially if you want to improve keeping your eyes on the music, which is a really good habit that Mr. Piano encourages. So this game is really good for encouraging that, and it's super fun.
Thank you for joining. See you next time, and happy practicing.
Hi, guys.